Let's have a look at the Shared Notes feature. In order to turn Shared Notes on, you can click the Settings panel, go to the workspace, and enable Shared Notes in your workspace. As soon as you do that, you will see a new Shared Notes icon in the control bar on the left. To leave a shared note for everybody to see, you simply click the Shared Notes icon and you can leave them a message. Class tomorrow is at 3 o'clock. Please join 5 minutes early. And then you just wait a second and you will see that these changes will be saved for everybody to see. All speakers are able to edit shared notes, audience members cannot. And that's pretty much it for shared notes. One thing that you might want to keep in mind is that you want to force shared notes to users so that they are able to see them without having to open them. You can do that by using the forced layouts function. There's a more extensive video about that, but if you wanted to do that, I'll show you quickly. You click the workspace icon, enable forced layouts, click apply, and then we need to turn the forced layouts on. And I want to make sure I add the shared notes to my screen, to my layout. So that's pretty much the panel I want to use. I click apply, and now the shared notes panel will be on screen for everybody to see. And that's shared notes. Thanks for watching.